Welcome back to the shop. We're on to final assembly of the 55-gallon drum offset barrel smoker. Tonight we got to get the firebox mounted, we got to get the chimney mounted. I got it off camera, I got it all cleaned out, I got the racks built, and I got the holes cut for the firebox and the chimney. We got to get it together tonight so I can run it all day tomorrow to season it in preparation for smoking some pulled pork on Canada Day, which is the day after tomorrow. So gather around, have a look, see if we can get her done. Everybody say hi to Nathan. Jesus. No, she's able. I just can't wait to see smoke building up.
Oh, it's gonna look.
Do we need to do any prep on the end of that?
Yeah. How straight is the pipe though?
It's fine. Nothing else is straight.
Oh, the shit's so thin though.
Good thing I got my welding shorts on.
Crazy. I noticed you're taking a different approach to welding right now.
Would you say? It's called learning. Other humans generally do it, so I've decided I'd give it a try.
Okay.
When you do something one way and it continuously fucks up, you try a different way and see what happens. So I'm trying a different way now. It seems to be working. That's chimney.
It's not bad though. I mean, it's... Wow. Cool.
Next wheel, firebox.
Yeah, this should
It's going to be a bit trickier.
a little bit. I want to see smoke coming out of that. Maybe you can blow a bunch of smoke through it, or you might see.
I will.
Some... Oh yeah.
Keep smoking.
Oh shit. You did that yourself?
Yeah. Help me with some over here.
Oh, you're gonna have to fucking support the shit out of this thing. Oh, plus add the wood in there.
She might hang on her own though.
I can't wait to watch it fucking dry.
So we're going to try to plug that gap with the actual original metal that came out of there. I'm going to hold it in place. Nathan's going to try to draw the circle on it, and then we'll cut it out. If 12-year-old me had all these tools, I would spend a lot of time making knives, I think.
How's that looking?
Feel lightheaded.
Yeah, I didn't. Yeah. Smells poisonous in there.
Watch it. It's gonna be heavy, boys. I still got a lot of weight. Let's see if I can lift more. Gently.
Put it.
Gently. Very gently. Yep.
It's pretty crispy, I guess. Oh, that's good. Man, that's pretty solid.
That sounds like wood.
Yep. Sounds like the wood's burning.
Oh, there's some heat coming out of her.
Well, yeah, there's a fire in there.
Oh, is there? Thanks, buddy.
at the smoke billowing out of that chimney. Like, look at it, man.
Boys?
You can take a shot from this side.
Oh yeah, with the dark in the background. Yeah. She's smoking. Boys! Sometimes you surprise yourself, you know?
The old smoke box got quite the gangster lean to it, though.
Yeah. It's ready.
Oh, yeah.
There's still a big fire in there.
Yeah, you're at, what are you at now? You're at 275 degrees now.
Well, thanks for hanging out in the shop again. We've got a working smoker. It ain't pretty, but I think she's going to smoke some meat. Current temperature is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're just burning off the last of the wood inside the firebox. Then I'm going to work on making a seal for the door because we're losing quite a lot of smoke and heat out through the door. So I'll get some gasket maker in there and see if we can get her sealed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.